Well, everybody, it's tax season, and as much as you hate doing your taxes, you still gotta do them. So in this video, I'll help you out by showing you exactly where on Robinhood mobile and desktop you can find your tax information in under 60 seconds. First, there are 3 things you have to know about taxes this year. 1, tax day is April 18th, and don't be late. That is the day you've got to file your return to the federal government, otherwise you're penalized 5% for every month or part of the month on your unpaid taxes that you're late. 2, if you were one of the few who made money in the stock market in 2022, first of all, congratulations, but you'll be paying money on those capital gains and dividends from stocks you sold this year. 3, know that if you lost money, that's not always a bad thing, especially around tax season. You can use up to $3,000 in losses on stocks you sold in 2022 to reduce your amount of taxable income. This is called tax loss harvesting. Now let's dive into Robinhood Mobile and find these tax documents. All right, you're gonna enter into your Robinhood home page. From here, tap the bottom right-hand corner to get to your profile. Once you're in your profile, you'll tap the 3 bars in the top left of the screen. Scroll down to Tax Center on your menu, and you'll find your tax home. You'll have documents here available to download if you've got tax documents produced by Robinhood. These will also be emailed to you in the account associated with your portfolio. And on desktop, it could not be easier. Go to your home page, go all the way to the top right-hand corner and select Account. From there, you'll follow the same process to head to the Tax Center, and this will allow you to download your tax documents in the current year. Again, they will be emailed to you if they're not on this page. And that's it. One of the easiest processes you'll find across any app for getting your tax documents. If you're looking for a place to do your taxes this year, TurboTax is what I use, and it's the easiest one that I've found. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to sign up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.